If someone offered you 1 crore rupees but said you won't wake up tomorrow, would you accept it? Of course not. That means tomorrow morning is worth more than 100 crore rupees. This video is not about life, it's about time. If time stops, life stops. If time runs fast, life ends in a moment. Life runs because time runs, not the other way around. Already 7 months of 2025 are gone. Everyone has limited time. Yet results differ by year's end. Why? Because some, like Elon Musk, work 100 to 120 hours a week, while others sit waiting for luck. But remember, luck works only if you are working. What if your lucky day comes, but you are on a holiday? You miss it forever. The Atharva Veda calls time a horse, fast, unstoppable, and priceless. You can buy diamonds, wealth, luxury, but you cannot buy even 1 second. You can either ride this horse or let it leave you behind. Even Tony Stark's father said in a movie, all the wealth in the world can't buy a single second. Yet these are the very seconds we waste. If you valued wasting 30 minutes as much as wasting 30,000 rupees, one day your 30 minutes would truly be worth 30,000 rupees. Galat hai. Chasing money is risky. Chasing time always brings money along. Every day you receive 86,400 seconds, like rupees deposited in your account, but only for today. Spend them well. That's why I say the 2 biggest sins are thinking you are weak, wasting time. Even great leaders valued time. During the Dandi March, Gandhi refused to stop for a reporter, saying, "For me, time is more valuable than fame." Abraham Lincoln studied, worked on farms, and helped his father, all at once. Born poor, he used time to become president. Warren Buffett, at the age of 6, resold Coca-Cola for profit. At 11, he entered the stock market. By 16, he had $3,000 saved. Bill Gates admired Warren Buffett's packed calendar, every minute accounted for. Time can make a beggar a king and a king a beggar. Don't kill time, because when time kills you, you won't survive it. So why do people waste time? 2 main reasons. Lack of energy, I don't feel like it. Lack of purpose, I don't know where to give my time. But time doesn't care about your mood. If you only work when you feel like it, you never control your day. That's why the saying goes, what you plan to do tomorrow, do it today. What you plan to do today, do it now. Wasting time becomes a habit. But using time wisely can also become a powerful addiction. If you want an addiction, get addicted to hard work. And here's the best part. Out of 100 productivity hacks, Harvard confirmed the most powerful one, time boxing. Don't make endless to-do lists. They only confuse you. Instead, assign every task a time slot. Pack your work inside time. Your goals must be smart. If you cannot rule the calendar on your wall, you cannot rule the world outside. So write this in the comments right now. I will make the next 30 minutes of my life worth more than 1 lakh rupees. Because once you write it, your chances of actually doing it increases. Until then, stop wasting time, control it, make it work for you. Wish you all the best. I, your friend, support your dreams. And with God as my witness, I promise you this. If you respect time, time will respect you. If this message touched your heart, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Because maybe the next video you watch here could be the one that changes your life forever.